Alrighty, I think you know what this means. Got 4 in there, and we're gonna go ahead and take them to the tire shop right now.
What's going on, guys? So we just got to the office right now. There's a couple of things that I do need to kind of address in this video. Number one is, how do you guys like the new setup?
So I was trying to do kind of like a review video on here, but just really wasn't working out. I did a video yesterday, and I'm one of those people that I'm one of those people that kind of overthink a lot, and so when I feel like I am saying I say a lot in the videos, and you guys don't see it because I cut it out most of the time, but it kind of just got to me, and I just didn't like the video whatsoever. So starting fresh, and I am the owner, creator of Night Cruising Media. I just wanted to make this quick video just to kind of give you guys an explanation of who I am and what this account is going to be consist of. All right, so to start off, like I said, my name is Jesse. I'm 20 years old, and I am a real estate agent here in San Bernardino / Riverside County. But I'm not going to be pushing my business onto this account. This is going to be strictly for my passion and love for cars, and just a way for me to, I just want to capture the car community in my way, and overall just get better as a photographer and videographer. I'd love to at some point make it into a brand, or kind of branch off in the car community. That's something that I've always wanted to do, is kind of have something that's mine. Like, I'm obsessed, I would say. I really love to make a YouTube account, just giving you guys kind of like a behind the scenes type of thing on like either photo shoots that I do, or kind of vlog style part installation and stuff like, and this is overall just for the fun of it. I want to have fun. I don't want it to make it seem like a burden that I need to go do it. It's going to be something that I'm constantly wanting to do. So that's the difference right there. And yeah, I mean, that's it. And hopefully you guys will stick around and support. If you guys have any video recommendations that I should do, go ahead and leave it down below. I would love to kind of see what you guys would like to see in it. But if you guys are seeing this, I will have a link in my bio, so go support the channel. And like I said, if you guys have any recommendations for videos, go ahead and leave them down below on either Instagram or YouTube. Alrighty, so I just finished a video that I filmed for IGTV, kind of explaining this channel, giving a little details and stuff like that. Let's go and do a walk around. We are at my office right now. Hopefully you guys can hear me and not just a bunch of traffic that's going on right now. So let's go ahead and start off with kind of parts on the car. So as of right now, I am running BC coilovers. They're almost maxed out, but I still have a little bit of wiggle room in the rear and in the front. So I got these wheels not too long ago. I actually got them last week. The specs are 18 9.5 plus 35, and this is kind of the fitment I have going on right now. That's the front, and then that's the rear. I definitely have more camber in the rear. I'm gonna be changing this. My end goal, I would say, is around -10 to like -12 matching camber front and rear. I do have an exhaust setup. When I got the car, it came with, When I got the car, it came with the DC Sport exhaust. But I ended up just chopping off the muffler, so it's kind of really a straight pipe. I'm going to give you guys a sound clip right now. And I mean, that's basically it. I mean, the tire size, sorry. Tire size I'm running is a 235/40 18s. I kind of got the, I would say, cheapest route for right now. I just wanted to get something on the car just to run them. So I don't expect these tires to last long. They are Advante something, but I mean, kind of have some good tread wear. And I mean, does a job for now. So yeah, I didn't want to be too obnoxious because I am at my work, but no one's here. So we're gonna go ahead and drive. So we're gonna go ahead and go home right now, and then just get this YouTube video uploaded, and then I'll see you guys in the next one. It's freaking hot. All right, peace out, guys.